This is another free crypto airdrop that is, well, free. There is zero cost to participate in this one, which means there is no risk to you. But as always, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and be safe out there. If you want access to this spreadsheet guide of every single airdrop we're farming right now, there's over 60 different airdrops on here. You can see all these in the green are the ones that have completed this year so far, and our total is up to $17,256 in airdrops alone. So if you want access to the rest of this sheet to see all the airdrops we're farming, exactly how to farm them, and talk to me about any questions you might have, click on the link down below or go to mattscrypto.com to join our VIP group right now. Okay, this airdrop is called LINGO, and it is one of the cooler websites I've seen so far for airdrop campaigns. It's all themed around real world assets like flying on private jets. A little cheesy maybe, but let's enter Airdrop Island as they call it, which is basically just the dashboard of LINGO's airdrop. So as you can see right here, there are different islands you can go and explore, and you're gonna start over on Ape Rock. Ape Rock is the beginning step, and it's very simple. You go over here and connect your Twitter or your X account, which you can see that I've already done right here. And then you're gonna go ahead and put in your email as well. And once you've done those two things, you are done with Ape Rock, and you can move over to the next one, which is called HODL Haven. On HODL Haven, you actually need to go and invite 10 of your friends. So if you do wanna use my invite code, the link will be down below, but when you sign up, you can go and invite 10 of your friends. This one's not a necessary step, but you can see right here, you can upgrade to business class, which I guess is another way to say that you're gonna get more airdrop allocation or some extra points for this airdrop when you invite 10 friends. You can see right here, I've only invited one person so far. So if you do wanna join, go ahead and use my link down below. But if you want to skip this step for yourself and you have no friends and you're on the computer all day, every day, just like me, and you've socialized with absolutely nobody in the last 3 months because these airdrops are just so freaking juicy, then you could skip this step and go to the next island. The next island is Degen Island, and this is really where the social fi farming comes into place. The first thing you're going to want to do, and I'm going to walk through this one with you, is connect your Discord. So you click connect Discord, and as soon as you finish connecting your Discord, it's gonna pop up with the rest of Degen Island's abilities. So the way this works is you're gonna wanna farm on Twitter, which is to like, tweet, and comment on Lingo posts, and then you can spin the wheel to try to win collector cards. You can see right here, there are 6 cards from common all the way up to a legendary, and then level 7 here is the mythical card. The way you can get all 6 of these and unlock the mythical card is by completing these different activities and spinning the wheel to try to get more air miles, which will unlock more cards. So as you can see right now, I've done absolutely zero social farming. I have 0 likes, 0 reposts, 0 replies, and 0 views. I am, in fact, a loser. So what we're gonna need to do here is go over and do these drop downs. Create a meme about Lingo. You'll also see that you need to get the post liked by memecoin's profile to get an additional 3,000 air miles. Then tag Lingo coin. So if you go over and click post here, it's gonna bring you over to X where you can go ahead and post about Lingo. So we're gonna do @LingoCoins. You can do hashtag Lingo, hashtag LingoCoin, hashtag Lingo, and then post whatever you want. The next way is to actually go over to memecoin's profile. And when you click on this button right here, it's gonna bring you over to tweets like this, where you can go ahead and like, comment, $Lingo, can't wait. And there you go. And then if you want to go ahead and repost it, you can as well. You can also get extra bonus miles for changing your Discord nickname or your X nickname as well. So all in all, this is a pretty typical social farming section on this Degen Island right here. The more you post about it on X, the more you're going to rack up points and air miles with multipliers, and then get your way all the way up to level 7 of this mythical card. If you scroll over here, you can actually see what the point system looks like in terms of air miles. So every like is 2 points, every repost is 4 points, every reply is 5 points, and every post view is 0.1 air miles per view. And your air miles are actually multiplied by the number of followers that you have with a maximum multiplier of 50. So very, very socially driven on X. Keep in mind, these stats are not gonna update right away. You're gonna have to wait a few hours. Usually they'll update these a couple times per day. So you can make sure that you are getting some points and some air miles for all of your interactions. Now, if we go back to the islands, we can see right here that Diamond Isle is actually locked at the moment. You can see that it is coming soon, so we'll see what that one looks like as this airdrop unfolds. And then over here on Whale Island, we can go and check this one out. So Whale Island is going to be directly related to how many referrals you get. You can see again, I only have one referral right here. So if I get 217 more invitation referrals, I will make it into the top 50. And then the top 10 leaderboards get a private jet NFT. Don't know what the value of that will be, but that's going to be pretty hard considering the top 10 right now is above 1,500 invitations. So if you guys are feeling lucky, feeling really generous, you can use my link down below to join this airdrop, and maybe we'll get to 100 invitation total, but I don't think we'll be breaking into the top 10 anytime soon. But if you do want to invite your friends, you will get on this list. I don't think it's going to actually give you anything specifically other than maybe you can get the boarding pass, which might give you a couple extra tokens for the airdrop if you have more than, say, 10, 20, 30 or so referrals, but even then I'm not totally sure. Okay, that is all there is to this airdrop. Go over, sign up, do your HODL Haven achievements, and then head over to DGen Island and start social farming this thing as much as you want to. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is a free airdrop. There is no money required to participate. It's fully socially based, but as such, you should temper your expectations. As I've said in my private VIP group many times before, these free airdrops are not yielding as much juicy returns as they were in the beginning of the year. So it's something to consider when you're deciding whether or not you should do some airdrop like this that's free or one that costs a little bit of capital but could yield a lot bigger returns. That's up to you to decide. But either way, enjoy it. Link down below, or you can just go to lingo.matscrypto.com to join the Lingo airdrop and have at it. As a reminder, if you want to join the VIP group and get access to all 60 of the airdrops I'm farming right now and exactly how to do them, also be part of our VIP group, get all of my buy and sell alerts and all the things we're talking about in airdrop world right now, that is at matscrypto.com. It's $30 a month or $1 a day. Hopefully we'll see you in the VIP group. And if not, you can go and watch this video before you head out because you really don't want to miss this one.